banyo. Wait, kanina tayo na ibinuksan ko ay para maalaman ko pag may tubig na. Hoy!
This is the cat of the day.
Aanin mo yan. Hoy, bakit dalawa-dalawa pa ang kinukuha mo? Marsit naman. Ay, pwede na ang isa ay. Bakit dadalawahin pa?
Okay guys, did you know my sister? Okay, let's eat. Oh, good evening. Wow. There's chopstick, but it's not totally a chopstick. Paano to hatiin?
No. Hatiin mo.
Ito, mami, dito nakalagay na aking pancit canton.
Mamaya. Kaya ko doon.
Ano ba, IT? Okay guys, this is the Pia's interview. My sister likes butterflies. And sometimes she kicks my cat. And here next, Chica Chica. Don't problem. It's not real. Just forget him. I just a kind. What the? She does something on the line. You didn't know she's lying always. Oh, do you hear that? Yeah. One. Okay, guys, this. Can you please stop the video? Stop mo na yung video. Stop mo na. Ay, ako. Kasi wag mo yun i-post, ha? Wag mo i-post. Wag mo i-post. Ang pangit. Ara na lang yung i-post mo yung next. I-post mo na lang yung next na ganyan, Pia. Huwag mo ito i-post. Ay, ako. Wow, bye-bye.